2021 McLaren 720S Spyder. This is a 4.0-liter twin-turboed V8 engine with 0 to 60 in just 7.9 seconds with a top speed of 212 miles per hour. Purpose, intelligence, elegance. The beauty of this McLaren 720 series with a Saros gray exterior is a head-turner at events. Viewers are not able to turn their eyes away. This Spyder's retractable hardtop both silently opens and closes in just 11 seconds, providing dynamic visuals satisfying your audience. The integrated active rear spoiler plays a vital role in braking and aero performance. You will enjoy the cinematics of watching her peak up and down. A good pump on the carbon ceramic brakes will guarantee this shot into position. As if that wasn't enough to satisfy your clients and viewers, just wait until you see the infamous dihedral doors, also known as the butterfly doors, perform. These stunning doors also function to cool the heat coming off of the radiator through air channels in the innovative double skin. Each inch of this McLaren 720S has been designed with purpose, creating a supercar that defies expectations for both speed and performance. This design is made sleek and elegant by use of form and function, being aerodynamic with tunnels, vents, and countless carbon fiber options across the shell. The only request your audience will want after seeing our 2021 McLaren 720 Spyder from you is more.